This is the sheaf stitch. It looks a little bit like a bow or a butterfly, but how you make it is you start with 3 straight stitches. So I'll come up at the top and make 1 straight stitch, and then we want 2 more parallel with this one here. So come up right at the top again, down to the bottom, and a 3rd here. All right, now we need to cinch our stitches together. So we will come up right in the, like next to the middle of that 3rd stitch. Then we want to slide our needle. I'm going to rotate my hoop a little bit to make this easier. Underneath our stitches, pull it on through so it cinches all of our stitches up, and then we want to go back down on the other side of the sheaf there, like so. And that is our sheaf stitch. Now you can get a little more decorative with this if you want, so we could make some of our stitches longer or different length if you wanted to, like maybe the middle one is shorter here, and the next one's really long. And I kind of just like to smush it over a little bit so it's more centered. There you go. There's another sheaf stitch. So you can play around with the length, do whatever you want with it, but it looks like these cute little like bows, bugs, butterflies, wheat, whatever you want them to be.